Okay, so you want to know how to install a mudguard. So I got this from Amazon. This is by the All Mountain Style company. I like this one because the design, it would match my bike pretty nice. I thought it was kind of cool. Fairly thick plastic, which is nice, so it seems pretty durable. But yeah, basically these 3 steps, I will show you how to do it. And apparently these mud guards are just for cool bikes. Anyway, let's get started. Alright, so use these cable ties, feed them through here. That way you have it looking like this. We finished step 1, cable ties are in, let's go to the bike. Alright, so here we have the bike. We'll get the pointy end to the back of the bike, kind of get it, fold over the tire. So now I'm first gonna loosely get these top 2 cable ties around this part of the suspension. Okay, now for the side, you can see here, we'll get the cable tie around this fork. Again, we'll make it nice and loose first. Here I have the brake cable, so make sure that the brake cable is not in the way. There we go. So now if everything looks good, it's not hitting anything, we can tighten it down. So I'm going to start with the top to tighten it more, get it further away from the tire. These knobs here from the cable ties I'm going to tuck behind so you kind of don't see them as much. There we go. Now I'll tighten this side. And finally tighten this side. Now a little tip, if you want to protect the paint on your forks, so just behind the cable ties before you install it, you could actually wrap some tape, or like electrical tape I would use, just to help protect it, so it more so cable tie will eat through the tape rather than kind of start sanding down your paint here. So now all that's left to do, let's cut these down. If you have scissors, use scissors, or if you have some sort of clippers like these where it's very flat at one end, that way you can actually clip it very flush. And last one. So now we have a front mudguard installed with cable ties. Looking pretty good. We have good clearance for the tire. I hope you enjoyed this short video on how to install a mudguard.